Hi my loves, in today's video we will going to have love reading message from your person, and if you feel resonated with my energy, meron po tayong mga available na crafts in our Shopee shop. Okay, so by the way, isa lang po ang ating shop, and if you feel resonated po, meron po tayong link na nasa ating description box. Okay, so in this love reading, we have some specific, sabihin natin, specific na sign na this is for you. And this is the angel number 222. Okay, so what is the meaning of angel number 222? Trust that seeds of your thoughts are growing as you are nourishing them with words, feelings, and action. I am balanced. Okay, so since na ito ay love reading energy, ano ba yung mga kailangan mong balansehin? And ito na nga yung isa sa malaking sign. If you are frequently seeing 222, angel number 222, this is for you. And may mga bagay, may mga mensahe na sabihin natin gustong iparating sa'yo when it comes to your love situations. And if ever din na-drawn ka dito sa reading na to at hindi mo pa nakikita itong 222, some of you are sa mga upcoming days makakakita ng 222, and dito na nga, kumbaga, talagang na-align na itong energy na to sa'yo. Okay, so let's see the energy first. So, balanse. Pagbabalanse. Some of you masyadong active. I hear na masyadong active and maraming sabihin natin medyo may chaotic energy when it comes to your thoughts and action. Hyper energy. Pwede din na ito ay maraming palitan ng words. I also hear that. Maraming sabihin natin restless na energy when it comes to love. Na sabihin natin itong energy na to, yung restless energy na to is nakaka-drain at nakakapagod. Okay? Pwede din yan sa yung body, pwede din sa yung mind na maraming thoughts na pumapasok sa isip mo na nakakapag-drain ng iyong energy. Ancession, wow! Spiritual path awakening. Let's see kung bargaining and begging. Yan. Tune in internet connection, love. Dito, my loves, ito, ang focus, my loves, is to connect again. Okay. Nandito kasi ang tuned in. Eto. Nandito ang tuned in. Pero, nandito din ang energy ng begging. But I also hear in this love situation, you are called to plug in sa yung spiritual beliefs, sa yung path, sa yung awakening. Maaari nga nagkaroon ka ng imbalances, masyado kang na-focus sa yung love life, na kumbaga, nagkaroon ka na ng misalignment sa iyong spiritual path na tinatahak. Maybe goals, maybe your purpose. Kasi, kumbaga dito, medyo, ka dito begging ka masyado. Kumbaga, kagaya ng sinabi ko kaninang word kanina, misalignment. Andito din yung word na ibababa mo ang iyong sarili. Kasi dito, ancession pero nandito yung pagbaba. Diba ang ancession dyan, pataas yan. You have to plug in. You have to connect again sa yung source, sa yung belief, sa yung purpose. Okay, and I also hear na meron dito influences. Maaaring itong love situation and relationship ninyo ay hindi maganda yung influence. And I also hear na sabihin natin merong mga ups and downs. May ups and downs akong nakikita dito. And also, for my specific collectives, you are dealing with Aries. I also hear yung mga zodiac natin na merong horn. I also hear that. And also, ito ay nagkokos sa iyo ng sabihin natin emotional drainage. Misalignment kanina, di ba? Balance. Tingnan nyo yung, kumbaga, yung alignment ng ating mga cards. Nagiging imbalance ka na when it comes to your purpose, when it comes to your goals. Nakakatulong ba itong relationship na to? Kasi meron ditong nasasayang. Sa energy na to, merong nasasayang. Okay? Maybe your energy, your resources, how you mobilize those resources. Kailangan mong ulit mag-connect. Maaari, for my specific collectives, you are into spirituality na naligaw because of this love situation. Kumbaga, nawala na ulit yung mga dati mong mga iniisip, mga goals, mga ideas, nung dumating itong love situation na to. I also hear na dito, kailangan mong sabihin natin, ito yung connection na to, ano na to eh. I also hear na kailangan mo ding magkipag-connect sa yung, sabi natin, mga natalikurang mga bagay-bagay, responsibilities, people around you. Kung halimbawa, meron kang mga natalikuran na mga bagay, mga responsibilities, mga tao para sa love situation na to, you have to connect again. You have to connect again. Kasi lumito muna nga dito yung connection. Kung ikaw ay yung tipong masyado kang ano dito begging, bargaining, nakafocus ka sa love na to. Kumbaga dito kailangan mo makipag-connect, bumalik ulit sa yung sa sabihin natin sa tunay na world. I also hear that. Eto I also hear na you are into self-love before. You are into self-respect before. Pero parang biglang nagiging down yun. Yung parang kumbaga nawawala yun because of this love situation. Parang na-set aside mo yung mga bagay-bagay na yun. You have to plug in this, sabihin natin, urgent messages na to. Kaya mo nakikita itong angel number na to para ipaalala sa'yo na kailangan mong i-connect ulit ang iyong sarili sa iyong purpose, sa iyong mission. Also, kasi andito yung bargain and kung ito ay dito, ang energy na to, pwede ding ikaw ay sabihin natin ayaw mo makipag-connect sa isang tao. Pero nandito kasi yung yung bargaining and begging. Oh. Lumitaw ang happiness and okay. Lumitaw ang happiness and expansion. Lumitaw din ang abundance and also not showing true feelings. Ang ganda, my loves. Napakaganda. Kumbaga dito, lumitaw dito yung happiness and abundance. Lumitaw dito, my loves, ang happiness and abundance with this paradise and with this abundance card. You are going to manifest exactly what you want. Woo! Okay? But dito, sabihin natin, my loves, dito, this message is also for our singles. Okay? Kung wala kang love life, pwede din to sa mga singles natin. Kung nawalan ka ng love life, pwede din to sa mga singles natin. I also hear na kung sabihin natin dito, masyado kang nang nauuhaw when it comes to your love life. When it comes to connection. Kumbaga, nawalan ka. I also hear na ang dami kumbaga, nawalan ka ng connection. Yun, nawalan ka ng connection from someone na spiritually connected sa'yo. Pero dito na magkakaroon na ulit kayo ng connection. And I also hear dito, my loves, you are manifesting love and happiness talaga dito. You are questioning universe, bakit hindi pa siya dumarating? Okay? But this 222 angel number are reminding you na hindi lahat, sabihin natin, kahit na unpleasant yung nakikita mo, meron ditong hidden para sa'yo. Okay? Meron ditong hidden na para sa'yo. Hindi lahat na, kumbaga, meron kang sabihin, hindi pa nakikita lahat-lahat, pero keep in mind na keep positive mindset dahil darating din sa'yo yan. Kaya nga nandyan, lagi nila pinapaalala sa'yo na darating. They are giving, sabihin natin, always reminding you na you are supported. And eto na nga, paradise happiness. Nakadestined ka doon, pero hindi lang to halata. Okay? Hindi halata kasi kumbaga dito parang uhaw ka. Parang you are missing something na nagko-question ka na bakit wala sa'yo, lalo na ang love life. Kung ikaw ay naging inseparated with someone, magkakaroon na ulit kayo ng correction. For my specific collectives, I also hear na meron ulit connection, magkakaroon ng reconnection, but hindi lang dito sa yung spiritual in contact, pwede din sa mga past love life. And some of them ay hindi din mapagkakatiwalaan. So, mag-ingat doon. Kaya nga kailangan magkaroon ka dito, mag-focus ka sa unsession. Mag-focus ka sa pagiging positive mindset. Kasi sa pagkakaroon ng positive frequency, para mas ma-attract mo yung tamang tao na connected talaga sa'yo spiritually. Kasi dito sa plug-in, maraming connection, maraming darating ulit na reconnection, pero hindi lahat yon ay healthy sa'yo. Okay? Hindi lahat ay healthy sa'yo. So, tingnan natin, since na ito ay may spiritual path awakening, nasaan na itong i-inquire natin na love situation na to, nasaan na ito? Or ano ang purpose ng journey na to? Yes, High Priest, personal empowerment. This connection will give you or giving you personal empowerment. Okay? Kumbaga, ito ang isa sa mga purpose ng iyong staying grounded, my loves. Yan, lumabas din dito yung 444. So, yung stay grounded and focus on your temple. Okay? Dito, kung meron sa ini-inquire natin yung situationship and relationship, ilan sa mga purpose ng love na to, hindi lang basta relationship. Dito, kumbaga, ang purpose nito, whether na ikaw ay sabihin natin, medyo meron kasing iba na smooth and rough, na sabihin natin, na challenges para maharap mo or ma-serve itong purpose. Pero, dito sa ini-inquire nating situationship, ang purpose nito is personal empowerment for you. Kailangan makagain ka ng personal empowerment with this situationship. Pero paano ka makakagain if you are begging? Diba? Kumbaga, ito yung lesson mo. Kailangan mo magkaroon ng personal empowerment and to stay grounded. Kasi dito masyado, kagaya ng bilanggit ko kanina, masyado kang emotional. Masyado kang, kumbaga nagkokos na yun sa'yo ng emotion. Kasi nga, you are thirsty for some love, some happiness, some presence ng na may kinalaman sa yung love life. But this generator card, you have to stay grounded. You have to focus sa yung path, sa yung destiny, and you have to connect again. Okay, kung meron kang person na gustong ma-channeled ang messages, think or say their name 3 times sa yung isip. Tingnan natin kung ano yung ma-channel nating messages from them. Okay, kagaya nga na sinabi ko yung itong i-inquire natin na situationship, you have to take balance. And also, itong 222 is para sa'yo, na pinapaalala yung personal empowerment mo and yung pagiging grounded. Okay, if naisip mo na yung name ng person na gusto mong panggalingan ng mga messages na to, let's see their message for you. Keep manifesting, my loves. I also hear the attitude, gratitude energy. Attitude, gratitude energy. Okay? So, stay grounded pagdating doon. I'm grateful for spiritual lesson. Yes, meron nga talaga kayong spiritual contract, my loves. Even you, pwedeng ang purpose mo sa taong to ay self-empowerment. I bury myself in work to forget you. Tingnan mo nga, kumbaga, itong messages na to, hindi din talagang para sa relationship, situationship nyo dalawa. Not only for you, but also for your person. I bury myself in work to forget you. They also need to balance. I wish I had treated you better. So, dito, lumitaw dito sa reconnection and dito sa mask na meron niyang makikipag-connect sa'yo na mayroong regrets. Kaya sila makikipag-connect because they still in regrets. I wish I had treated you better. Gossip only hurts more. Pwede yan ang naging dahilan kung bakit nagkaroon kayo ng disconnection. Okay. Yes. Bakit yan? Hot and cold. Kanina nabanggit ko yung up and down, no? Yung flow ng up and down. I also hear dito din. Oo nga, may pagka hot and cold nga itong situationship na to. Na nagkakos sa'yo ng sabihin natin last of waste energy. You waste your energy and time. You have to balance this. Kasi hindi mo kailangan mag-focus lang dito. Kasi na-involved din ng gossips. May tendency na ito ang nakapagpapalala. Pero dito kasi, kaya pinagdikit ko siya kanina, may ups and downs. Merong hot and cold. Pwedeng sometime nagre-regret sila, but sometime parang mas gusto nila maging focus sa kanilang na gusto ko na lang kalimutan. Okay? If you have some question for them, ayan, hot and cold hindi yes and no ang sagot nila. Kumbaga hindi pa nila alam kung mayroon ka question sa kanila, hindi nila masagot. Hot and cold nga, ups and downs ito relationship na to. That's why kumbaga sa pamamagitan ng ups and downs, hot and cold, mix signals ng person mo, dapat doon pa lang magkaroon ka na ng lesson na magkaroon ka ng personal empowerment. This teaches you to stay grounded. Okay? Give your meron niya magre-reconnect. Give your relationship a chance. Give your relationship a chance. So your angels are telling you na pwedeng di ba nabanggit ko kanina para sa mga begging and thirsty, work on your partnership, but it doesn't mean kahit sabihin natin you are single, you have to align yourself when it comes to this purpose and missions. So, yun din ay meaning ng partnership. Kahit sabi mo single ka, wala kang kapareha, wala kang kapartner, but kung patuloy mo na ginagawa yung purpose mo, darating sa'yo yung taong merong spiritual contract sa'yo. Kasi you are in alignment. Okay? So, mag-focus ng doon if you are single and if you are in situationship na meron niyang gustong bumalik sa'yo, give your relationship a chance. But make it sure na ang lesson, na mo na yung lesson dito, na ikaw ay grounded na ikaw ay matatag na ikaw ay nakagain na ng personal empowerment. Guilt. Okay. So, di ba nabanggit ko kanina yung regrets? Don't let guilt get in the way of happiness. Okay. I also hear na kumbaga, feeling mo kung babalik ka sa taong to, you are self-sabotaging. I also hear that. Pero, kagaya nga na sinabi natin, if na-serve nila ang lesson, kung tinuruan ka ng situationship na to na maging positive, nagkaroon ka ng personal empowerment, don't let that guilt in the way of happiness. Baka isa din to sa, kumbaga, nandito lumitaw na yan yung happiness. the playfulness, and the joy. Lumitaw na siya kanina eh. Just think positive, my loves. Keep a positive mindset. Okay? Don't let the guilt get in the way of happiness. Give your relationship a chance. I also hear na kung ikaw ay nagbeg dito sa relationship na to, make it sure na i-project mo yung personal empowerment, my loves. Yung pagiging grounded, yung hindi na kasing rupok or hina nito. Okay? But dito, give your relationship a chance. Yun yung gustong i-remind sa'yo ng Tooth Angel number and also this reading. Huwag mong pahirapan sarili mo. Kung halimbawa, sabihin natin, nandun ka sa pagmamatigas, andito na kasi yung connection eh. You have to plug in again. And nandito na rin yung give your relationship a chance. Give thanks, woo, for the blessings of love soon to come your way. Know that you deserve to be and have all your heart to desires. I love, so para kasing feeling, nagigilty ka pag halimbawa binalikan mo to, pero deep inside gusto mo naman talaga. Give thanks. Kumbaga, kagaya nga ng pinaalala ko, para mawala yung guilt na yon, kailangan meron ka ng personal empowerment. Hindi na ikaw itong sabihin natin begging energy na to. But sabihin natin kung wala pa to, if you are, ito nga, nandito ang begging, isa lang ang kailangan ditong gawin, you have to keep a positive mindset. You have to always give thanks and sabihin natin yung attitude, gratitude nga na yon. Kasi nandito eh, kumbaga, you deserve love. You deserve love, my loves. Kumbaga, i-connect mo ang iyong sarili sa iyong purpose and mission kung sayang darating. Pero kung merong dito na sabihin natin may bumabalik sa'yo na parang hindi mo alam kung mapagkakatiwalaan mo pa ulit, and sabihin natin na parang gusto mo na ayaw mo dahil nandito yung guilt eh, pero i-enjoy mo lang. You deserve love. Kung sa tingin mo masaya ka, i-push mo siya, bigyan mo siya ng chance. Okay? Work on that partnership. You deserve to be and have all that your hearts truly desire. Basta make it sure nandyan ang personal empowerment. Okay, my loves, and that's all for this reading. Thank you so much and see you in my next one.